Hey everyone, in this video, we'll explain what an offline session is and the features available during offline sessions. An offline session is a class session where all participants are physically present in the classroom and the teacher records the session. It is also referred to as an asynchronous class. Now, let's dive into the features. Select recording layout. Choose the layout that best suits your recording preferences. Resource selection. Customize your session by selecting necessary resources like camera, microphone, and speaker. Collaborative board. Engage students with a collaborative board and explore its features. Session controls. Pause recording, mute or unmute mic, and disable or enable camera during the session as needed. Bookmarking. Bookmark important moments, start or end of the topic, for easy reference and better editing later. Toggle between applications. Seamlessly switch between the Roombr app and desktop during the session. End session. A confirmation will be asked if the user ends the session. Click to confirm. In the next video, we will explore one by one.